Well, it looks like the aerator and that organic fert and all those biostimulants I put down, boy, she's coming on out. Hey, there's Pete, GCI Turf. I hope you're having a great day, and that's where we play the NBA World Finals quite often. And I've always had trouble with my little micro mist irrigation for my flowers. And I went through 2 or 3 different kinds, and I finally went with the in-ground one that pops up. They're 12 inches. Well, I got another problem. Man, these flowers sure are coming on out. Sure are looking good. Watch this. Look at there. Oh no. It won't go no higher. I got a problem. Look at there. That back row of coleus, or these elephant ear, are getting 0 water. Which that bad boy looks like he don't need any. Look. Look at how that's spraying right into the side of the plant. So, I got a way I'm gonna fix this. All right, so it's a real easy fix. That's a pop-up irrigation extension. It's got your male threads on one end, female on the other. Basically, all you do is pop that up, take your head off, screw the extension on, get it snug, put your head back on, your nozzle, you're good to go. Now, I'm kind of back in the same boat with that right there, that's sticking above ground. So I'm gonna have a serious word of prayer with the NBA All-Star team out here and see if we can't keep them off of that, because of course that's firm. All it takes is one good swift kick and that's gone. So I did buy 4 or 5 extra of these just in case that happens. Much better. Now we're actually getting some water to these back flowers and the flowers on the end. It's hitting the ones on the end, the back here. Oh, yes, yes, yes. Now these are extra tall. I actually had to put, it's kind of funny, I actually had to put 2 extensions on that one because these are so big. And of course, I put 1 week after planting, I put a pretty good dose of RGS, a full rate of Flora-Green, and then I've hit since then, which that was about 1st of May. We're middle of July now. I've fertilized these maybe two more times, so 3 times total with the Flora-Green and 1 RGS app, and look at them. Boy, they are showing their butts off. I like it. Oh boy, look at there. The lace cap has begun.